So next, our topic is the integrating found by inspection. So we have here some formulas to remember by use for inspection. So first, derivative of xy is equals to x dy plus y dx. Derivative of x over y is equals to y dx minus x dy over y squared. Then the derivative of y over x is equals to x dy minus y dx over x squared. And the arctangent y over x is equals to x dy minus y dx over x squared plus y squared. And derivative of arctangent x over y is equals to y dx minus x dy over y squared plus y squared. So those are the 5 formulas that that can use in inspection, or 5 formulas to remember by integrating found by inspection. So the only thing to remember in this topic is this is the combination of dx and dy, and also in the given what is in outside is also what is in inside. So example number 1, we have y times y cubed minus x dx plus x times y cubed plus x dy equals 0. So first thing to do is distribute. So y4 times dx minus xy dx plus xy cubed times dy plus x squared times dy is equals to 0. Then after, we need to, next process is to combine the like terms. So this and this, then this and this. So it become y4 dx plus xy cubed dy minus xy dx plus x squared dy is equals to 0. Then after combining the like terms, factor it out for simplifying it. So y cubed, so y dx plus x dy minus x y dx plus x dy equals 0. Now, this looks familiar. It is included in the formula that I've mentioned earlier. So y dx plus x dy is also equal to derivative of xy. So by that, we can replace it by this formula. So it becomes y cubed the derivative of xy minus x y dx plus x dy equals 0. Then divide both sides by y cubed. Now we get the answer. We get the answer of derivative of xy minus x over y cubed times y dx plus x dy. So this given looks like familiar also. It is included also in the formulas that I mentioned earlier, but y dx plus x dy has y squared here. But because there's no y squared here, so we need to factor it out. So it becomes y times y squared. That is equals also to y cubed. So it become the derivative of xy minus x over y times y dx plus x dy over y squared is equals to 0. So this is also write as derivative of x over y. So it becomes derivative of xy minus derivative of x over y is equals to 0. Then after that, we can easily we can easily integrate it. So, we need to do the integration. So, integrate derivative of xy and also derivative of d over x over y. So, we have integrate both parts. So, integral of derivative xy is equals to xy minus integral of xy times derivative of x over y is equals to 1/2 times xy squared is equals to 0. Then xy is equals to x squared over 2y, rather it's minus, squared is equals to c squared. Then to have cancellation, we need to multiply it by 2y squared. So 2y squared times xy is equals to 2xy. Y times y squared is y cubed minus, cancel it out because it's negative. So it becomes x squared, then equals to, cancel 2y squared times c over 2, so cancel 2. So we need we got c y squared. So here is the final answer. 2x cubed 2xy cubed minus x squared minus is equals to cy squared. So for example number 2, we have xp plus 3y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. So first, divide both sides for negative x dx. So we got xp over negative x plus 3y over negative x minus dy over dx is equal to 0. Then transpose. So dy over dx minus 3 over x y minus x to the 4th is equal to 0. Then transpose. We have dy over dx minus 3 over x y is equals to x4. Now, we see that we have the value of p of x and the value of q of x. So, p of x, which is negative 3 over x, or x raised to negative 3, or q of x is equals to x over 4. Now, proceed, after getting the p of x and the q of x, proceed to integrating factor, which is equals to e raised to integral of p of x dx. Then substitute e raised to integral of p of x, which is x negative 3 dx. So we have e raised to negative 3 ln negative 3 ln x. Then we have equals to e raised to ln x raised to negative 3. Then cancel. Then the integrating factor would be x to negative 3. Then, after getting the integral factor, proceed now to the general solution, which is equal to y equals 1 over integrating factor times integral of integrating factor times q of x dx plus c. Then substitute. Y is equals to 1 over x to the negative 3 times integral of x negative 3 times the value of q of x is x4 dx plus c. Then distribute, we have y x negative 3 equals, so integral of x dx. Now, plus c. Then, we got the x negative 3 integral of x dx is equals to x squared over 2 plus c over 2. Now, to have cancellation, we need to multiply it by 2 x cubed. So 2x cubed times yx negative 3 cancel. So we have 2y equals 2x cubed times x squared over 2 is equals to, so cancel. So x squared times x cubed is equals to x fifth plus c over 2 divide 2x cubed, so cancel. We have cx cubed. So we got the final answer of 2y equals x fifth, x raised to fifth plus 6 cx cubed. So this is the final answer.